So I've got the momentum-based system from yesterday. I've added the signal counter signals. I've got a 5-minute chart with Heikin-Ashi candles. I've got the MMT XXX painting the background, basically when we're below or above the 20 SMA. I've got some special new divergence signals from the trend and reversal. It's only capturing divergence signals. And they're from a couple of oscillators that I haven't really used much before. I'll show you the settings in a little bit. On the 5-minute, they don't really appear that often, but you can see when they do, getting these triangles. So here's one cluster, here's another one, here's some more, we get a little pullback, a couple more, then we just had a few. I took this short, been practicing last week's New York Open sessions since I didn't get a chance to trade any of the New York Open last week. But over the course of an entire day on the 5-minute chart, it's just got a few high quality signals from these special divergences. So on the trend and reversal indicator, I'm just looking at divergences, look back period of 1, overbought, oversold of 90 and 10. This one has an input series of the DMI. Second instance of the trend and reversal, same settings, different colors for the divergent, but this has got the Chai-Kin oscillator as the input series. Then I've got the MMT XXX painting the background, single moving average mode, signal dots are off, it's just painting the background. The slow moving average is a 20 SMA, the middle is a 3 EMA, and the fast is a 1 EMA. Got a bunch of my favorite moving averages on this chart, the 9, the 20, the 50, the 100, the 250. My ultimate delta settings for the 5-minute NQ are usually 300, 600, and 900. Got the Heikin-Ashi trend painting the candle colors. On the 1-minute chart, we had some nice signal counter signals right before the market opened. Nice little pop-up. Had a triple signal here. Look at the point of control. This is the ultimate POC. Drawn up into the top of this wick, wicking right off of the current day open. Had a nice bounce there. Had two candles where we were wicking off of the 20. You can see the point of control down at the bottom of these wicks, ripe for a potential reversal. The momentum picked back up. We've got the white inside of the candles, measuring the momentum. We popped up right to a previous day VWAP close. This blue dashed line. Got a nice rejection there. Got point of control up in this wick, getting some bigger signal counter signals. Here we've got the Heikin-Ashi turning red. We've got pre-market high right in the way, the 20 SMA right in the way. I'd want to see a move below this. There's not really any negative delta coming through. Just being kind of patient in this area, waiting to see if we're going to break higher or maybe lower. We get another high signal counter signal. Point of control is up in this wick. Here we make the move, we start moving below the 20, the current day open, a lot of negative delta. We make it down to these key levels here, the 15-minute center and a previous day point of control. Bounce back up to the pre-market high. There's not much delta follow through. This delta is definitely overpowering here. And we move back down. The Heikin-Ashi is painting the background and the candle outlines. And the trend and reversal is painting the inside of the candles with the trend flow feature using the momentum indicator as an input. I did a video on that yesterday. It's using the trend flow, strength of 1, directional filter off, SMA filter is off, just painting the bars, white for up, black for down. Input series of the built-in NinjaTrader 8 momentum indicator. So for the signals that the signal counter is measuring, I've got a trend and reversal with the reversals and the divergence activated, wide offsets. This is the default input series of price. I've got two instances of the MMT ultimate delta. I've got the delta waves and the divergence activated with the wide offsets. This one's in cumulative mode. This one is in per bar mode. And I've got the same delta waves and divergence activated. You get different waves and divergence signals for per bar versus cumulative mode. I've got the signals activated for the ultimate Heikin-Ashi. You can see there's the trend signal, the wide offset. I've got another instance of the trend in reversal, doing the same divergence in reversals only, with the Williams as the input series. And then the signal counter is measuring the signals. Got to have at least 3 signals for it to print a number. So that's the setup for my 1 minute chart. The delta levels are 100, 200, and 300, like I usually have on the 1 minute chart. And I've got my 60-minute chart. The Heikin Ashi is painting the candle colors. And then I have the key levels indicator. This is the new updated version with no diagonal lines. So I can see previous sessions, high, low, close, pre-market levels, etc. I can look for areas of confluence between today, yesterday, even the day before if I've got enough chart space. This is the setup that I'm going to be trading with this week. Just thought I'd share it, throw out some more ideas on potential ways to use all of these indicators. There are links to the MMT line of indicators in the description. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Appreciate you taking the time to tune in. Anyone that's out there using code MonkeyMan at the prop firms is absolutely amazing. Thank you so much for the support. Apex, Take Profit Trader, Tradeify, and TradeDay all have some great deals going on right now. Thanks for watching. Best of luck in your trading. Have a great day.